I'm Steve from Singing Trees, and I'm going to show you how to put together one of our log xylophones. So this goes there, and this hole will go there. I'll just put those there. Okay, so you've got these coach screws. They're going to go there like this. A goes to A, B goes to B, and down. And then we take a spanner. Cut. Great, so now we've got the frame in place and we've got the rubbers on the keys. Now it's simply a job of putting the keys on top of the frame. So we'll take a look at the keys. The keys are numbered 1 through to 11. Each key has a little alpha symbol on to indicate which end of the key goes on the bottom rail. So this is number 1, the largest key, corresponds to number 1 here. So we just place that over like that. Number 2, this is the bottom rail. Like so. Number 3, there's the alpha sign. It goes on there. And carry that on through to 11. Okay, so now the keys are sat on the xylophone frame, we need to secure the keys into the frame using the coach bolts provided. So I'll show you how that's done. So we take a bolt, we thread the rubber through and then just sit it on the hole. I'll show you again. So we take a coach bolt, thread it through, thread the rubber through and just sit it on the hole. Okay, so now the coach bolts are in place, we need to screw them down, but we're not going to screw them down so that the keys don't have any movement. So we want to screw them down. And we want to leave about a 1 centimetre gap between the base of the coach screw and the wood, so that the key has about a centimetre of up and down movement on both edges. If it's at all tight, give it a wiggle. And we do that on all 11 keys. Okay, so now that all the bolts are in place and the keys are nice and secure with an element of movement, all we need to do is hammer the pegs in. So what I recommend is you take a mallet and a rag, place the pegs as square as possible, put a mallet over the peg, voila. Okay, so that's it. Now your xylophone's all assembled, just sit back, relax and enjoy playing. If you have any benches that you've ordered, they assemble together in a similar fashion with the letters on the bench tops matching the letters on the bench stumps. However, with the coach screws on the benches, there's no need for any up and downward movement, so you can screw them right in. If you have got any questions or you're not sure about anything, please feel free to get in contact with either myself or your supplier, and enjoy your xylophone.